Look what's turned up today, some more goodies. It's from Bug Out, Prep Shop and Survival Supplies. And it's a small business being run by ex-servicemen. And it's what it says on the tin. It's military surplus and survival supplies. And some of these things will help me on my up and coming challenges. So we've got a nice neck scarf. Can also use it as a hood or balaclava. So that's going to be quite handy. We've got a nice new beanie there. Keep my head warm. We've got a Dutch Army canteen pouch. And I bought this, it's a mould back on it as well, because it's a really handy pouch. It's got a waterproof drawstring inner top to it as well, and I thought that's the perfect size to fit my drone into. So when I do hikes, I can just clip that on my backpack straps or click it on my belt, and then I've got a nice pouch that I can grab the drone when I need to. And it's got a nice clip fastening on it. That wasn't very expensive actually. That was only about £7, which I think is a bargain because it doesn't look like it's ever been used. And we've also got one of these. Now I had one of these. It's a British Army issue backpack. The type used in Northern Ireland. It's got a waist strap on it there as well, which is nice. And the reason I bought another one is because my old one, the straps here, they broke down really badly. I got really wet on a hike and the foam literally inside here just got destroyed. So it was really uncomfortable. But what I liked about this pack is it's so tough and bulletproof. It's got waterproof drawstring tops to all the pockets, which is lovely. We've got them on the side pockets as well, and they do make a difference. Also, that's waterproofed as well. So I've been out in torrential rain with my other one of these, and it worked really well, keeping everything dry. I have everything in dry bags anyway, but just having this and being able to cinch that up, it's really nice. And what's also good about it as well is you've got a nice lid that's got two pockets. So you've got a nice little zip pocket there. You can put your emergencies in, like first aid kit or whatever. You've got another zip pocket here where you can just pop things in there like gloves, beanies, power banks, things like that. So it's a really handy backpack, and it's not too deep. Some backpacks, like this one that I used yesterday, as you can see, it's still got loads of stuff in it. This one, it does extend out quite a far out the back, which means that you've got a lot of pull on the shoulder straps where it goes over your shoulder. Whereas this one here, because it's narrower, you still get the same volume of stuff in it. In fact, you probably get more stuff in this one, but because it's got side pockets coming out the side, it doesn't extend out so far out. So you end up with not so much pull on your back, so it's not pulling away quite so much. So it's a really handy little backpack. I think it's about 30 litres, maybe 35 litres. But yeah, very practical. So yeah, British Army issue, day pack, Northern Ireland style. So yeah, check him out. He's got some great items on his website. Lots of interesting books and literature as well. So it's Bug Out, Prepper Shop and Survival Supplies. Check him out.